Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily delete a transaction in QuickBooks Online. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in QuickBooks, and let's say that I'm going to let's say go sales and invoice, or just find whatever transactions you have. It doesn't really matter, it works on the same system. So what I'm going to do, I'll just click here and I can go to more actions and I can simply delete it here. Or I'm going to click edit, invoice, and then go to bottom and click more and again delete. So this is the first way how you can actually do it. So yeah, again, you click on a invoice, whatever, more actions on the bottom right, click delete or click edit invoice, and you can delete right here with more and delete. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.